Good morning, children. Look at the picture very carefully. What you can see? Yes, the big trees, the grass, and the herbs. Okay, at least you can understand now what is tree and what are herbs. If you have seen the previous videos, you might know what is the height of herbs, what are the shrubs, right? Okay, don't forget that green grass, that is also kind of plant. Look at the herbs. Okay, what are herbs? They are very big plants and they grow up to the certain height. Okay, now look at these tall trees. They have trunk? Yes. What about this tree? It has the thin trunk, right? Let's see another trees. Okay, see, some of the trees have the big trunk and some of them are having thin trunk. They are having so many branches. Okay, look at the herbs carefully. These are the example of herbs. Tulsi, grass, wheat. They are called herbs. Okay, and we can say they are seasonal, right? Sometimes we felt that plant of tulsi is gone. Mostly in summer we can see if they don't get the proper water or care, okay, that plant will die. Look at the shrub. Shrub have the little strong stem and that can grow up to the certain height, maybe 6 to 7 feet or more than that if they get the care. Okay, mostly in lemon tree we have seen that it grows the bigger with a strong stem. Okay, and the examples of shrub are rose, lemon, henna. Henna we can see in the boundaries of the garden. Okay, let's see the trees. Trees are big and they have the trunk. Trunk can be thin or thick. Okay, what gives the plants the green color? Come on, tell me. Yes, leaves. Okay, these are the example of trees. Banyan tree. Have you seen banyan tree? Okay, the roots are coming out, right? Okay, mango tree, coconut tree, they are the example of trees and we have other trees also. Will you do one thing today? Write down the examples of trees, okay, and draw a beautiful tree with the fruits on that. Now these are the climbers. Okay, what are the climbers? Climbers are very weak plants. They need support to go up. Okay, and such climbers are pea plant, money plant. If you have seen money plant, then you might have seen that we are giving it the support by stick or the thread. Okay, we are tying the plant with the thread so that plant can go up itself, right? Find out some other climbers also. Let's see the creepers. Okay, what are the creepers again? They are weak only, but they grow on the land and move freely. Okay, they won't climb it, so they are called the creepy creepers. Look at the examples. Watermelon and pumpkin are creepers, and these both cannot go up. As if they will go up. Do you know the weight of this watermelon and pumpkin? Yes, it's more than 2 kg. Okay, so if the creepers start climbing, then what will happen after the fruit coming? Yeah, they will come down, right? Okay, let's see the parts of plants. Already we have seen. So if you know, you can do yourself. But today I will also teach you. You can see the leaves, flowers, fruits, stem, and the branches, right? Okay. See, the plant have the two system, shoot and Roots. Roots grow under the ground and shoot grows above the ground. Okay. What do the roots do to the plant? How do it helps to the plant? Okay. It will absorb water and minerals and nutrients from the soil and will provide to the plant. Look at the another parts. Leaves, they are green in color. Branches are also green. Sometimes it's brown too. And stem mostly we will see in brown. Okay. See, these are the birds. What is bird that fly in the sky? No, these are the birds from which the flower will bloom. Okay, and the flowers on top. Where are the fruits? Near that leaves. Okay, as I explain you that roots take water and nutrients from the soil and providing to the plant so that plant can grow nicely. Okay, now you wonder that how do plant grow? Now how do you grow? What you will need to grown up? You will say, madam, we will need food, we will need water, we will need air. Oh yeah, then same way the plant is also a living thing. So living thing also requires air, water, right? To be alive. So same way plant also need. Now how do plant get its food? So look at this green color leaves. Okay, each leaf of the plant is the kitchen for that plant. In each leaf it start cooking, but when? In the presence of sunlight. How? So they will use sunlight and will take carbon dioxide from the air, will make the food and will release the oxygen for us. Do you know why the green color the leaf has? No, because it is chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll is kind of pigment that green leaf has containing. That's why that leaf looks like green color. Okay, if chlorophyll is less, then the leaf can be less coloring, means it will be light parrot green or parrot green. Okay, look how it takes sunlight and use carbon dioxide and make the food and release the oxygen. Now look at the fruits. We will see the function of different parts of the plant. What we are doing with the fruits? Just eating? Really? No, we are using fruit for various purposes. Will you find it out? Okay, that's the task for you. How they are useful to us? We are using in cooking food, right? Even for the medicines. Okay. Now, when we are growing plants, how do it will be useful to the soil? It will stop the soil erosion. What is soil erosion? Soil erosion means the removal of the upper layer of the soil. If the upper layer of soil will be removed, then soil become less fertile, and when we wants to grow another plants, that won't grow that much nicely. Okay, as soil is erosion already, so the fertile soil that went away. So how do the plant will get the nutrients? It gives us very fresh air and providing fresh atmosphere, right? It gives us oxygen to be alive. See, human beings and the animals, all living things need oxygen to be alive, even the tree, but mostly the oxygen we are getting, that is providing by the tree only. What we learnt, that plants are living thing, Plants are classified according to their size as herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers, and creepers. Root system, branches, leaves, flower, and fruit are different parts of a plant. Let me summarize. Trees are having different kind of trunk, broad trunk, narrow trunk. The surface can be rough or smooth. Shape of the leaves and the size. Some are small leaves, example is coriander leaves, and some are the big leaves like a lotus plant. Okay, large leaves of banana, have you seen? Yes. Now some are having sharp leaves that can uh, like hurt you too, right, while you are touching. Some are the round leaves. Have you seen the round leaves? Yes, lotus have the round leaves. Color of the leaves. You remember in our second video I have seen you the different color leaves. Look, yellow leaf, red leaves, purple leaves. Now you wonder that, madam, why some leaves are yellow and they are fallen down. So when the leaf grow ripe, okay, they are also getting old. Leaves are also getting old. So when they grow old, they will become yellow and will fall down. Okay, so that you can see yellow, green, both kind of leaves on the tree. Okay, now leaves with even structure. I told you that by touching you will come to know. Some are having even texture, some are very smooth in touching, some are having very rough structure. Okay, now if you are interested, you can collect the kind of plants, but please remember, don't pluck it from the tree. Okay, just find out that is fallen down under the tree, gather it and try to make some kind of animals or anything. Okay, here it's made elephant. You can try it too. If you can make this, you can send me picture. Okay, do you know some plants have a distinctive smell? Okay, do you know? First let me know. If yes, then which are the plants that gives a smell? Okay, see, let me tell you, the mango leaf. Okay, if you will smell it, you will come to know that this is mango leaf. Coriander leaf, that also contain a smell. Neem leaf, that is having bitter smell. Mint leaf, have you smelled mint leaf? It gives pleasant smell. Basil leaf, that is tulsi. Their aroma is so good. Some plants bear flowers like rose, marigold, lotus. Other plants also. Some plants give vegetables: brinjal, chili, pumpkin, peas. So many vegetables. All plants, mostly vegetable plants, will give us vegetables. Fruits, plants, and trees gives us fruits, right? Like banana, mango, apple. Which fruit do you like most? Okay, whatever fruit you like most, please try it. That's it for today. Thank you.